Think about it. You buy insurance to protect yourself from the financial burden of a collision. But what about when your vehicle breaks down? And it's not a matter of if your vehicle will break down, but a matter of when. What if you were faced with a $3,000 repair bill today? What would you do? Could you afford it? With healthCAR, the answer is simple. healthCAR covers you from the uncertainty of expensive vehicle repairs, providing the same level of coverage offered through dealerships, but at a fraction of the price. With no long-term contracts, no mileage eligibility requirements, no credit checks, and no vehicle inspections, you can get started with healthCAR immediately. healthCAR has you covered from start to finish with roadside assistance, towing, rental benefits, and even our alternative transportation program at no additional cost. With coverage for little over $1 per day, healthCAR is not a burden on your budget. In just minutes, you could be on your way to saving thousands on unwanted car repairs. So say goodbye to the hassle of overpriced repair bills and say hello to healthCAR. Enroll today.